Let's DIY a fluffy bunny for Easter using the mop heads from the Dollar Tree and a tinsel egg and a tinsel bunny head. The egg is going to be the bunny's body, and of course, the bunny head is perfect. It's got the ears and everything. All you have to do is remove the tinsel from both. The bunny does have some paper on it and some eyes and stuff like that, but it's easy enough to get off. Sometimes you just need to cut some of it to get it started. And you're gonna have two cages, one for the bunny head and the bunny egg there. That's gonna be perfect to DIY with those fluffy microfiber mop heads from the Dollar Tree. I thought these would be perfect. They are a great source of fur from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to piece it together. I start with leaving the mop head intact and I add hot glue to the plastic cage, covering up what I need to, and then I can go back and cut off the excess. It does shed a little bit when you cut these microfiber mop heads, so keep that in mind, but I kind of like to attach mine first so I know exactly how big I need them to be. And when you put one of these right next to the other, it blends in very seamlessly, so you won't be able to see where one starts and one stops. I'm going to do another one right here. It almost takes me to the top of the egg, and I am saving the scraps so in case I need them for other areas of the bunny, like the very top. So I just use a scrap up there. I'm going to go ahead and put some burlap there so I'll be able to tie the body to the bunny head and trim off the excess fluff there. Now we just have to fluff the bunny head. Again, I'm just using them sideways. I just found that it fit a little bit better that way and work my way up. Again, be aware you're going to get little fluffies all over you when you cut this stuff, so keep that in mind. But I really love crafting with it. It's my favorite thing I have found from the Dollar Tree to cover a bunny with. He's going to look so fluffy and cute. And I'm going to have the bunny looking away from us. This is going to be the bunny's back so I can decorate it and add a little tail, a little bunny tail. I'm just going to trim off the excess fabric here around his ears, and we have a fluffy body and a fluffy head. For the pom-pom, I wanted something big, and I found this. It's like a fluffy pipe cleaner that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wind it up to make a fluffy pom-pom. I've also seen the keychains there kind of like that. And then I'm going to tie the egg part to the bunny head right here so that will hang together. Now it just needs a ribbon around its neck. I wanted to add a little color, so I'm using some of that mint green burlap from the Dollar Tree. I think it's so cute. I just knot that around his neck, and I'm just going to dovetail this ribbon. Super cute. And then I'm just going to do a little faux bow over the top, cutting long enough to make a loop here on each side. And then I just use a zip tie and attach it all together. Such an easy way to make a bow, and this is how he turned out. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.